let's now talk about the featured posts. So, the first thing we can see here is the header of the featured post, which is the H3 with margin top of 5 and margin top of 3. And then we have class of row. I want you to remember the images right here and this grid system. So, the first thing we will do as usual is to add container or container flight, and then we will add header 3 with margin top of 3 and margin bottom of 3 for the featured post. Secondly, do you remember that we can use inside Bootstrap that has caption the figures? We can get it from this link. And then here we will add dev with class of row, and every figure will have column large of 3 and column of 6. So starting from the 992 pixels to infinity, it will have 4 columns in the row because 12 divided by 3 is 4. If you want to know how many columns that I will have on 100% of the width of the screen, make 12 divided by the number here. We have 3, so 12 divided by 3, it will be 4. And then we will have column 6. So, less than 992 pixels, I will have 2 columns on the screen because 12 divided by 6 is 2. Okay, that's good. We're done from the featured post. Let's now move to the source code. Okay, starting from here. This is the column large of 6. This is the column 6, and you saw the column large of 3. So let's now move here. Okay, for this one. Let's add here section and give it for featured. And then inside it, we can make dev with class of container. And then the header of the featured post, which is this one. Let's open this page so we can imagine what's going on here. Okay, we will add here H3, and we will give it margin top of 5, margin bottom of 3. And then inside here, featured posts. Okay, that's good. And then here, we will add the grid system starting from the dev with class of row. Let's do this one, row. And then we will make here column large of 3. And also column of 6. The next step here is to get the figure from the Bootstrap. We can go here. Open this one. Yeah, the content figures. And then we can scroll down and just take this one right here. We can make the screen larger, so we can just copy. Okay, copy. Make it smaller again. And then we're gonna paste it inside here. Okay, for the image we have image 2, 3, 4, and 5. Or we can use image 2, 3, 5, 6. It will be better. Okay, this one will be for image 2. And then we will copy this grid system. Copy. And then we can paste it for more 3 times. 1, 2, 3. This one will be 3. This one will be 5. And the last one will be for the 6. And now we can just save and go back to this one. Make the screen larger. Reload the page. So, here we have the featured post. It's the same as in the demo version. We can go up the same. Okay, that's really good. And then when we make the screen smaller, This will be column of 6. So this is completely responsive, and now we are done from the featured posts. In the next video, we will add this carousel. The purpose of this carousel is to know that not just images I can add inside the carousel, I can add anything I want. I can add figures, I can add tables, content, and even a grid system. In the next video, we will build this carousel. Good luck and have fun.